up guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I'm basically gonna do like the random like eyeshadow like number generator challenge, just because I've been seeing it like on my timeline. I first saw Alyssa do it, so shout out to her. I know in her videos she did say that she got the idea from someone else on Instagram. But yeah, so definitely check out Alyssa's video if you wanted more details and all that stuff. But basically she's the first person that I personally saw do it, and that's the reason why I wanted to try it out, just because, you know, why not have a little bit of fun? I love makeup type challenges, so I'm definitely planning on doing more of those on my channel, just because, you know, it's a nice little mix up from the same old when it comes to pumping out content. So yeah, I'm really excited. But before I get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Miss Diamond Janae on Instagram, and then at Diamond Janae 18 on Twitter. So honestly guys, I maybe have like 4 or 5 different eyeshadow palettes, but I feel like the one I really wanted to use and the one that popped up to my mind the most was the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, because A, I love this palette so much, and B, look at all the crazy colors that come with this thing. Like, look at this. So there's a lot. I'm very nervous because this can turn out really good or really bad. So as you guys can see, my eyes are already prepped. I already, you know, put the tape on the side to make sure it's really nice and cut. I'm planning on doing like a, depending on what colors I end up getting, I'm probably gonna do like either a smoky eye or a cut crease, preferably a cut crease, just because I tend to know how to do those better. But again, we will just have to see how everything turns out. So basically the way that I'm going to be doing this is, it's going to be basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So that's basically how I did the numbers. So basically straight across in rows. And I just decided to use a random number generator from Google, because I looked up like number generator and it was like right on the front page, so that was very nice and convenient. So thank you Google for that. But let me just pull this up on my phone just so you guys know that I'm not cheating. Let me see. So I already kind of pressed the button a couple times just to see how effective it was at working. But yeah, so yes, my phone is cracked, don't judge me. So let's do one. So I'm gonna do a transition shade, a crease shade, and then also a lid shade for this. And I'll do a 4th shade just to spice things up a bit. But so the first number I got was 15. So the first color is this blue color here. I got this color here, like right here. It's kind of like a copper slash like penny type of color. I'm trying to figure out how this is even gonna work, to be honest. So the next color is gonna be this purple color down in the corner. Alright guys, so the last color I'm gonna pick, I'm super nervous about, just because I really feel like it's either gonna make or break this eyeshadow look. So I'm really keeping my fingers crossed with this one. So let's see what color we're gonna be getting. So as you guys can see, again, I got 15 again. I'm gonna wheel it again just because it's like I'm already gonna be using that color, so there's really no point in me using it again, because I'm not really doing this in any particular order. I'm just figuring out what color is which. 31. So I mean, it's okay. It's gonna be a little basic, but literally this color right here right underneath this blue color. So honestly, both the colors look exactly the same to me anyways, so something just fell, but that's okay. But yeah, I mean, I can make it work. It's just that copper penny color is really throwing me off, so we're definitely gonna see how that goes. Alright guys, so I'm really nervous, but I'm also excited because I don't know, the creative juices are just flowing. So first and foremost, I'm just going to be starting off with this purple color, which is the number 32 that I selected earlier. So I'm basically just going to put this on my eye first, kind of as like my transition shade type of situation. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit closer, all close and personal, you know. I don't bite, just a little bit, but for the most part, I don't bite. But yeah, so I'm really liking the purple color. I wasn't expecting the purple to be this light, to be honest, but I really do like how it's looking so far, because I feel like it's definitely gonna look really good with what I'm envisioning. Hopefully the vision is going to be there. I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that it's not gonna turn into a hot mess, because if it does not turn into a hot mess, we'll be good and I can upload some Instagram pictures and that'll be like a 2-for-1 special basically. But yeah, so let's continue. So next, guys, I'm just gonna be going into this color right next to it, which was the number 32. As you guys can see, I'm dipping my brush in there and I'm basically just gonna put that on my crease. So next, guys, I'm gonna go in and cut my crease and I will be right back. So as per usual, this side turned out pretty good with the cut crease and this side turned out a little crazy, but it's okay because this challenge isn't meant to be perfect, but I'm still trying to look good, okay? So what I'm gonna do is next, I'm going to be taking the 15th color in this palette, which is this one right here. And I'm basically just gonna work that towards like the outer edge slash middle of my eye. So let's see how that looks. Hopefully that looks right. Hopefully it looks the way I think it's gonna look in my head. Honestly, guys, this blue color, hold on, there we go. This blue color right here and this blue color right here, to me, are basically the exact same color. So I'm not trying to have it be super pigmented. Try to blend that out just a little bit more. But yeah. So last but not least, this final copper slash penny type of color. Yeah, let's plop this on and see how this looks. Hopefully it'll tie the whole look together. Yes, I'm using the exact same brush because why not? It's gonna be blended on my lid anyways. Like, guys, this actually doesn't look half bad. Like, it's kind of giving me like space type vibes basically. Like, I'm very surprised. Let me do the other eye and basically see how everything looks all pulled together. Yeah, I don't know, guys, I'm kind of feeling it. I'm not gonna lie, like, this is something really different. Like, I would have never thought about pairing these 4 colors together, but they actually look really good. Let me pop some eyeliner and my lashes on just to kind of finish the eye look, and then I'm gonna move to the rest of my face. But yeah, guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. I really am digging this challenge. Like, this, I don't care what nobody says, I feel like my makeup did turn out really good. And again, like, my eyeshadow, like, I would have never ever thought of putting these colors together, but everything kind of just blended in super nice. I feel like this was a definite pass. I don't think this video was a fail. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I'm really thinking about making this like a kind of like once a week type of thing for my channel, just because it's like I love doing different eyeshadow looks, and I don't know, I like to do fun stuff. I like to do different stuff like that. I'm definitely gonna be doing more makeup challenges and stuff like that as well, just to kind of get me out of my comfort zone, because I feel like I do the exact same thing every single time I post when it does come to makeup. So I definitely do want to switch it up a little bit. But yeah, so definitely let me guys know what you guys think of this look down below, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.